You won't believe this, but you can use Nano Banana Pro for free and download images in high quality with zero watermark. Let me show you. It literally takes a minute. First, go to Google and search Flow. Click the very first link. Now hit Create with Flow and sign in using your Google account. Once you're in, click on New Project. Here, switch the mode to Create Image. Then select the Nano Banana Pro model. Choose how many images you want and pick your aspect ratio. I'm going with 9:16 for Reels and Shorts. Now look at this. It says this generation will use 0 credits. Yep, completely free. Next, paste the prompt you see on screen. Just replace the text and quotation marks with your own topic. For this demo, I'm creating study notes on Newton's Law of Gravitation. Alright, hit Submit. And boom, our notes are ready. Now here's the best part. You can download these in up to 2K quality for free. Let's download one and check something important. No watermark, no logo, nothing. Clean, high quality images. Totally free. So yeah, if you're creating study content, reels, thumbnails, or notes, this trick is seriously underrated. Subscribe for more AI tools that actually save you times.